Hello guys, hello everybody. Oh yes, my beautiful people, my beautiful fans out there. This is Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes everybody. So you can see that this Vera TV program. So we are back again on our business. We are back again guys. Oh yes everybody. So now, so I greet and appreciate you know this Vera TV program in the building. So I greet you all, So you can see I'm back again. So I need to show now the Ogmoge side, the Ogmoge as they go. So now say now the number one, number two now a day. You understand? So let me show you guys. You can see that. Oh yes guys, you can see that. You can see that. This one they paid them well. So thank you very much for supporting me. And those of you will be say when I like when see they follow this my fans, they buy. God go bless now. So I they do this thing. It's not for bad thing, it's not for something when it be saying a bad that they do. No. And two not be me they sell and our fans here they sell them. So I need to help her. She's my fans. She they support me for super chat and she they help me God. She they support me financially. So God go bless me, appreciate me a lot. So I'm back again. Good morning, good afternoon. You can see that. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is Vera TV. You see now. Now see say here, don't they cut. You see now. So you can see that now. Say if they build down the come small time now, and like this, you go come build. Now see now. So it's very good when you are wearing it. Try to wear it. It's very important. It's very good for you. You understand me? So you can see that, guys. You see that. They pay them. They pay them. So you can see that, guys. Show me the siam. So you see that. This is my shape, guys. You see it. You see them. You can see that. Oh yes, guys. You see it. You see them. You can see that. Oh yes. So if you never buy your own, buy your own. Buy your own, no buy. You see that, guys? You see that? After children, no. So you wait till you can't wait for when it be say, you know, if you can't buy and you know if you can't look good. No, buy it and you will look good. You see that? You see them? So now what it be say, you go fit buy, it go make you look good, go make you look sexy, it go make you look fine. You see them? You see as they go now. So it's very important. My brother out there, my sister out there, now wait till they want buy me put they do underground business, like they do underground this thing. I know say God they already see me through for that one, you understand? So I do these things not maybe because to one person one or two things. No, I'm doing this so that many women will look good, will look fine. Look at this summer now, summertime now with day now. You wear and now you go look good, you go look nice. How do I look? I look sweet, guys. Now my shape be this one, you understand? When you they wear and you go see and say your shape go they build. You understand me? See here now my own now they build the come. You see huh? You see huh? You see that? Now that they build they come. So what are you waiting, guys? You need to buy your own. It's not too expensive. That is the reason why I tell the lady that you need to dress as in the price. Draw it low so that many people can buy it, so that women out there go feel buy and they feel patronize you. She really do such, he really do one. Because not be say it too cost. No, many of our women like this thing to still look good, to still look fine. My people, I didn't do bad thing there. I tell her to reduce them because still now I buy a show now for live video that day. Me, I'm the kind of person I don't lie. If it's not working for me, I will not come outside. So far you they wear now. If you want to sleep, wear now. You day house, wear now. Anywhere they go, if they go outside, wear now. If you may say maybe you day outside, you don't tire, you can still pull it. You understand? You feel go somewhere, you pull and come on, you still rest. Maybe the evening or you want it. If they want it, they make sure say they wear now. You understand me? Make sure say you wear now. You go say and say you will look good, you will look nice. You see me now? See me? You see that? So you look good, you look nice. So let them talk, let them say, because this thing I'm doing now for everybody. Maybe say our women go use and look fine, they'll use and look good, they'll use and look sexy. It's not a bad thing. It's not a thing where be say a bad or an evil something. No, it's not evil. I'm doing it for people to buy so that you can see that it's flat. You see, huh? So that people will buy. The last one now, I go wear this one, wear this one now. Before I go continue to wear the other one when I buy, when it gets zip for front. She have different type. If you want to buy, call her. The one when you need, the one I show now, you can still buy from there. So now some my people now waiting be say that they do, they vest, they go. They say, me, they spoil their business. I be not get business when I spoil, guys. You know, they are not spoil anybody business. But just that they just want to lie here and there. What I did is not a bad thing. Okay, reduce this so that many of our women go fit buy. Use one and not guide the big pass. Many of our women buy. Many said, but our men don't buy for the when it be say they can't look sweet, they can't look good. As I look good now, look sweet, they're not good. After children, you say abroad is a thing will be safe. If you don't the born, but let go big. Even not be abroad safe. Even Africa, they happen like that, of which many people know. So I need to tell you guys the truth. I don't like. Sometimes many people will call me, you sure? Now that's amount. I'll say yes. Now the amount which you take the sell and I be that also okay. They'll really call and I'll say me. I don't lie. I don't add. I don't subtract. So my lady out, they don't listen to side talk. Buy anything. Buy them. Maybe they wear and summer be this. You see, you see, and some be this. Buy and may you may you look sweet, guys. No go buy expensive one, you know. Many of our women, if it's too expensive, if it's too expensive, they not go buy because it costs for them. You understand me? But this one are not too cost. You know, too cost. You see that? You see? You see, huh? Oh yes, me I want look good though. So that's it made me see tell our women, see one introduce and give our women so that they'll still feel buy. I didn't do anything wrong, so it's a very good thing. So because of that, they lie up and down because they say this lady, oh, sheep. Buy it, wear it 24 hours. If you feel wear and sleep, you will stand, you go lose, no matter your belly go be. Take your waist trouser. Your waist trouser. You make sure say you use and take by. Find the number of your trouser, guys. Take by, you know, take by. See me now, see me now. So I don't want the vest there, you see. So on our hips, so you see that, you see, you see that. So you need it, guys. You need it, my women, my friends, my real fans out there. Many of my fans don't buy. They don't buy. You understand? So many women when see say they see I look good for the waist trainer, not be joke. I don't born. You understand? I get children. So you when still get people go still use them. You understand me? So you go make your belly the flat. You stand before I put this one to the finish 8 to 9 hours. I don't eat on top now since now. I make my belly like say it will be small. So I don't eat on top. So guys, if you feel the wear, they eat on top. If I'm not gonna eat, can you imagine say my belly go flat? You understand me? So it's very good for you guys. Now waiting will make you look sweet. Now waiting go make you look Now waiting go make you look sexy. That is my bun shot. Go and order yours. If you never buy, you are missing, my lady. I don't want you to miss this opportunity, guys. Go and buy your own. Order your own. It's very cheap and you can afford it. The zip one is £35, while the other one is £25. Order your own, guys. It will make you look yummy. I look good. If they come and say no, they say, my belly. They laugh me today. No, you see, my shape will come outside. You see that, guys. You see it? You see? So who could be this one? You understand? You understand me, guys? So I'm doing it for people to believe. Not be they use waist trainer, they use waist trainer for how many years? People know they see the outcome. No. This one they do so that people go see them. My belly big before. Hey. My belly big before. But it's not on the 25 now, we'll make it 1 month. When I go check my first video I do one for live video for this waist trainer advert. Go to my wall, go to my YouTube channel, go and check it. You go see and say, oh, the 25, never even reach 1 month when I start to the wear. If you the one I go good for you, make sure say you the wear, I go make you look sweet. You see here now? You see now? You see? So I saw those one go come wear when I go cause say here. You go come flat like this, go come. You see now? You come flat, you understand? So you need to they use them, they wear them all the time. If you are going out, you can wear it. You are inside, as I told before. You they do ass work. When the be say just they clean, you they mop, you can wear it too. anything they do, wear them. You go make you look good, go make you look sweet, go make you look nice. You are still going out to wear any dress you wear. Now dinner gown or now this or now see dinner gown I wear one blue gown when I sit down. Don't see my uncle come and say it's flat. But if I don't wear them, say maybe I don't wear them, my belly if you see yourself go wrong. But it's when I think they use this waist trainer, it work for me, I they burn fats. The year before, here, this place, year before, it swell up like say, you see, you say don't cut, you say don't the builder. You see, so now be the thing here before be make but as it then make me look sweet. You see, they build and they come. Small time they will come build and build and build and build and build and build. They will come build and come like this. You see, you see, you will come build and build and build and build and you come say and say he now so it be yes. It will work for you. It will make you look good. It will make you look nice. Don't say you know they work. Maybe some people say you don't buy. You know work. This one they work. This one they reach chest. You understand? This one and a chest they from under here to chest here. No how I know go take work because if they hook everything together, if they pin all together, so definitely it must work for you, my darling sister out there. Now we see me that they jealousy. Me want keep people business. Take your business. How me take your business? Now me they sell. If I they sell any price I like, I put for my business. If now me they sell any amount where be say I like, I put. Even though na 2 euro, na 5 euro, I say I'm okay with that. You understand? Some people they don't know how to do business. Everybody is not the same. When you go to market, some supermarket is cheap. While some are not cheap. When you like it, you buy from them. When you like the cheap one, you buy. So it's like that. So this my fans where they UK where they say this question, I tell her she bring it down. Because people like what go their hand go fit afford. You understand? My women are there. I can't do bad. Say I make it reduce and so make una feel by. Many people don't come. My phone I put her for silent for those here. When I for those here call when I dey here now. When I dey do this video now I work for my YouTube channel. When I for those here call bra bra bra. You know, many people will buy. Many people can buy from you so that because it's cheap. Don't put big price. If me they sell anything, I want to sell anything now by special grace of God. Air cloth or everything. I know how I will do my calculation. Just put small thing. You understand? And the postage I had at John. You carry many things, you sell and finish. Better pass it, you carry 5 something, put her for store. You put big price. Nobody come there, come ask you, say, wait till they sell, madam. Now that one come worst pass. So I look like good for me. It make me look sweet. It make me look sweet, guys. So why would I tell you? You see, huh? Since I don't go far because if I near camera, well, because I didn't let me look at that. So you can see that right now, guys. You see? So you see, huh? Since I not the shape come myself. Me address content, more like the see where it pass. Because me, I not the lie. Just look here now. Can you see that? You see, huh? You see, huh? Now the tell you come show now. You see, huh? So why not go work for you? Since I say that they go inside, it must definitely work for you. It must definitely. You see my belly now. See, huh? You see, huh? You see, huh? You see it? You see, huh? So it must work for you. Here and I go they born, I go they born, I go they born. You know, say we women, if we don't they born, here they big. You understand? If we don't they born, here they big. So you go come the make person be like say you don't get shape or you not fine. You see, huh? You see where for cut. You tell you they make una they see, and I'm sure you see here. So you can see here too. You can see here. You can see here. So that is it. I put her make people for buy and make this lady reduce the price. If you never buy, try to buy, my beautiful people. Try to buy your own. You understand? So that will make you look good, will make you look fine, will make you look sexy. You understand me? So now be the thing, she really reduces and she really hear from me because it's cheap too. Let me see they talk. So now some my beautiful people, if you know the word from me, I know they talk because I don't want disgrace, I don't want why you crow so they cash you for life. Go say that's buy it. If you know the word from me, I'm not going to tell you now, my women, my beautiful women are that I will not say it at. I will not go to talk on my platform. But I use it. It's not to how many days I use. I start say they work. I start say they work. So I need to tell you guys. I start say they work. You see that? You see this one now cool. You see, now this one they pay there, pepper there, gang. He can't pay. He can't pay. Now baby say me. After 2 years using waist trainer, yeah, she not there, shape not there. What compare with me? You want can't compare with me. Bring after many children, just bring it out. Let's check it out, guys. Let us check them out. Check them. Not be cloth they there. I know where are you. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see how? You see how? I are the parent. You want to play with me? I'm still young, forget Pekino. I'm still young, so what me I go do? No go fit one. Everything there, you see, over here, quite a throw away. He can pay some people. He can pay them. They just went ahead to be looking, it's cheap. Me want spoil a business. Now me they sell when I they spoil a business. Me boy I'm not the one that is selling waist trainer. It's not me that is selling it. It's my real fans that is selling the waist trainer. So I need to advertise, do the advert for her so that people will buy. It's very cheap, my people. Where did I go wrong? What have I do wrong? For me to tell my women you have to buy it and look sweet like me. You understand? Let me drop my shirt. You see that? You see that? Oh, my shirt don't fold. You see that? Where they go now? You see how? You see how me I stay side. You see anything belly? Not there. You see how? So that is it. They don't need to trouble me. Don't trouble me, guys. They don't trouble me. Go give me trouble, give a wahala. You see that? You see it? Yes. That is it, my beautiful people. God will bless and appreciate you a lot. I don't want to make this video too long. So if you never order your own, guys, my women out there, my beautiful women, that's as I look sweet. Summertime, you need to look good. It's very, very important. Buy her so that anywhere you can go, follow your man, anywhere you can go, not go the shame. You go wear and when it be say, you go look, understand? You go look sweet, you go look nice, guys. It will make you look good. You see? I pose now. You see that? I pose. It will make you look good. Anywhere they go, not with the shame. Say, hey, oh, my belly, oh, if I see my belly too big, oh, if I see my belly, that one, it don't come out. It will make you look sweet. It will make you look nice. It will make you look okay. You understand? As I did, I look sweet anywhere they go. I think come out yesterday. I know when I come outside. You see, huh? I believe all the flash. So thank you very much. I appreciate you. It's not me that is selling it. She's in fun in UK at me. If I don't start to the settings, I will still let you know my beautiful people. I go reduce and for now. So that I go still afford and I go still buy. Because if they say something, you know, they make a ship so that your women, you say, I get fans, I get fans, I get fans. Even your fans cannot even afford it to buy. So your fans go say, oh, I'll be like how to buy you, but the money when I get no rich, you know, go get pity man. Okay, you don't get gain for the rest. Make I just drop, okay, breeze also amount, make I sell them for you. No, they are all not be like that because they all put a shower when they do, they not see money. And she when they pay 70,000 euros, she not see money and the useless kaka, but they not see money. Now people now they want call the whole they talk up and down. Now somebody do promise to me not see money. I don't want to consign me. Now people heard your fans heard that be now my fans when you go be say in like when you want buy from now you want to put up frustration for their body. What did the women add they cost to you? They cost nothing to you. So you have to go and look for a solution, go and look for your problem. Stop disturbing others, okay? No, they carry all the disturb, not go the cocoa. Because me I know you, not go the cocoa up and down, make cocoa not kill you. If I bolla we kakagbe, me tafia kill you. Una go man una fucking business. Una matter not go hold una. Una come the cocoa up and down. The gas nothing to do with me, okay? Come outside, you are the kakabo waladan, wave shape waladan. Let's do competition. Let's go out. Let's say, now they want to competition. Maybe I'm gonna come outside. They crazy. After how many children? Look, I look sweet and look yummy more than you guys. Two of now, all that shishi. Just look. Let's come outside, bring your belly. Where get though? As me tell where get though. So I bring your shape out. Let's see. What you want? Me and not the same. Me and you not two know who are not the same. Me and not be the same. You can see my own style and my own beauty is beautiful, but your body is very, very different. Okay, it's very, very different, guys. It's very, very different. So you don't have to go use your own reggae. Cut the 5% bruise when you want to use and taste spoil. No, you understand? You don't have to. You don't get. Tell my people. Maybe me or God, they won't call use already. Can't take disturb me, Bruce. No. So look it. You see that? It can't pay. So guys, other yours, I love you all, I appreciate you all. If you never buy. Or go out there, beg. If you never buy for your wife, I beg. Buy for her, make it look good, make it look sweet, make it look sweet like Vera TV program. I don't look good like this, eh? Buy for her now, beg or God beg. Try to buy for them, I beg. And those who don't still buy for their woman, who don't still buy for their baby mama, your wife, your fiancé, God bless you, man. God bless you now. God bless you now. Make a thanks for that. God bless you. And those people who never sleep by, God will still bless you. And God will still make one of them want to sleep by. And those women out there, we don't pretend. This is my sister. This is our sister. This is our fans for UK. God will bless you now. All pop now go now go make us. How do I look, guys? I look sweet. Make them come outside. Look me, guys. Just look. This shape is already there. So thank you. I appreciate you all. Let me show the back side again, guys. Oh yes. See that? So now, so my people, who don't burn, don't find, who don't want be my photo, who don't find, no, me I give you this beautiful song. Who don't find, who don't want be my photo. Who don't find, who don't want not be my fault. Who don't find, who don't want be my photo. Who don't find, no. Who don't want be my photo. Oh yes, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you. You eat and drop your good opinion. Make sure say you wear and look sweet like me. You that I do like this. You see the shape? You see, huh? You that I close leg. You see that? I close my leg so now see. Show now see. You see it? I close it. You see, huh? I close my leg, go. You see, huh? You see that? Come here, to do fake something. You see that? So that is it, my beautiful people. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. All right, bye for now.